Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Vlogmas day 2. I feel like I look very rough right now. I stayed up too late last night, entirely too late. It's like 12:45 right now and I just woke up, but luckily I don't have to work today, so it's gonna be a pretty chill day at home. I have a couple of things to do here and there, which I'll probably vlog most of, so it's the beginning of the day and you know what we gotta start with. Also, how are we feeling about these new curtain bangs? I really like them. They're just kind of frustrating at first because I've never really had short bangs before. Wow, I can't talk. I've never really had short bangs before, so they're kind of in my face and I've got to train them a bit. But we have to start with the advent calendar, and there's something popping out of it. I can already see. So advent calendar day 2. Oh, it's a coffee. I just started brewing a cup of coffee. Shoot. Well, we'll have to do this tomorrow. This is the World Market Cinnamon French Toast Ground Coffee. Yum. I've had these before and they're really good, so I can't wait to try it. You know what? I haven't even put the water on the coffee that I'm brewing right now, so I'm just gonna pour that back in the bag and try this, and I'll give you guys a little review. So just sat down for breakfast. I'm gonna try that coffee on camera, but I have a little bit of a cheese Danish. I don't know about you guys, but we still have stuff left over from Thanksgiving. So trying to eat all of that. I'm on my computer right now. I'm gonna do a little bit of Christmas shopping. Okay, so here goes the coffee. When I put this in the French press though, I could definitely smell the maple syrup. So let's see. I don't know if I get French toast because it tastes kind of like just a normal coffee with a little bit of sweetness. I don't taste the maple and I don't taste any cinnamon, but that's okay. It's still really good. All right, ladies and gents, I'm about to work out with none other than Chloe Ting. I just need to work out in general, but I just kind of like wanted to tone up a little bit today for reasons, and honestly, like, I just need to work out, you know, like, I didn't work today, haven't gotten a whole lot of movement, so I'm gonna do the Chloe Ting Get Shredded 12-minute full body HIIT workout, and I may do an ab one right after. Oh my god, it has been a hot minute since I've worn a headband with a ponytail while I've been working out. I used to when I figure skated, but I got my little bangs yesterday and I just know they're gonna fly out, and probably this headband won't stay on the entire time, but I figured I would give it an effort. So it's much later now. I'm getting ready to hang out with my friends, so I'm putting a little bit of makeup on. I was in the middle of doing it and I was like, wait, when did I last pick up the camera? Because I have not been filming. So when I'm all done, I'm gonna show you my cute, cozy outfit. It's kind of like casual, but also kind of cute, trendy, fashionable. I like doing outfits like that because honestly, like, I love being comfortable, and you know, I don't want to wear like a freaking ball gown to the grocery store, but I still want to look really cute, so I'll show you how I did that. So the outfit really quick, I decided that I'm going to wear my Spanx faux leather leggings. I wear these literally all the time, but they're perfect because they're comfortable but also a little bit more stylish than just a plain black pair of leggings. Just a little t-shirt to wear underneath my sweatshirt, which is by Johnny Coda. He was the winning designer of Making the Cut, and I'm seriously so obsessed with him. Like, I wish he would send me clothes. Johnny, if you somehow find this video, I just want everything that you make. So that's my little outfit, and then I'll probably do simple gold hoops, I think. So that's it for Vlogmas Day 2. Thank you so much for watching, and if you made it to the very end, subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 3. Bye!